Okay, let's get some things straight. So I was hanging out with Carrie. What was that, like?
This was like a month ago. Hanging out with Joey and his friends.
We were vlogging that night, but we never finished the vlog. We didn't really get that much. I'm gonna insert footage of that in this video, but then also include today. So without further ado, subscribe if you're new. Okay, let's go.
Hi. What did you guys have for lunch today?
You're so dumb.
Jimmy John's for lunch.
Jimmy John's. No, ramen. Cookie dough? Darn. She wins. Joey, what's your favorite animal?
Lion.
What's your favorite animal? I don't know. I like turtles. Did everyone enjoy their food?
What? Yes, I did.
Hello. Focus, plees. Thank you.
Do I click knock?
I don't know what we're doing.
Walk in.
Hello.
Oh, you're just gonna walk in? Well, hello everyone. Good evening.
You're so overexposed.
Please come in.
This is such a beautiful house.
Well, thank you. My kitchen right here. We have one pizza left, so whoever wants it can have it. You just gonna eat that? Ew. At least heat it up in the microwave. Anyway, lovely dogs, Maisie and Milo.
Hi.
I'm not even talking in a British accent because y'all are intimidating me.
Then what are you talking in?
Whatever accent that I am speaking in.
The Carrie accent?
All right, everyone.
Yes. Wow, this is so exciting.
It is exciting.
Aw, baby pictures.
Pictures of me and my family.
I will look at all the walls.
Oh, thank
You want to
you.
see a constipated picture of me? Look at this. Look.
There's me. There's sexy old me.
Oh my gosh.
This is my basement.
Ooh, cute.
We have a hobo on the couch.
We have a hobo named Craig on the couch.
Named Krug?
I found him on the streets and I felt so bad for him, so we just brought him in here. Now he's laying all comfortable now. Would you like some water, Craig?
That is crooked. Please help. How do you feel about this? What's going on right now?
No.
Ah! That's gonna be so loud. I didn't know that was a thing.
Okay.
Oh, does he actually know what he's doing?
I think Craig's
Kind of. What? Oh, I gotta play this.
Right here we
I
have-
gotta play.
So right here we have a little arcade set. Everyone comment below and rate my British accent on a scale of 1 to 10.
0.
Are you still doing it?
Seriously? I'm an expert at this.
An expert? Are you?
Maybe. I feel like you're a bit questioning me now.
Oh.
I think you're kind of
Oh,
doubting me a
get
little bit,
cutting
yeah?
it close.
I'm not gonna get that one yet.
What? Why not?
Okay, oh! I'm quite
Game over. Let's go.
So back here is my workout room.
Oh no, it's a
Perhaps
little
we can
tight.
make-
Am I
perhaps
gonna
we can
make
make
it?
it-
What the heck? Is this a sauna?
Yeah, it's a sauna.
What?
I do come down here and work out. Oh yeah. We have a TV here that we haven't turned on in 8 years.
Oh, it's so little. Oh, wait, what are those? What are these? Mugs?
When I was younger, I used to lie to my friends and tell them that they were worth millions of dollars and they believed me. I made them know that it was very valuable to have these.
I see that.
Talk to the hobo. See what's up.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Taking a nap.
My mom did to me as a kid.
Oh my gosh.
She made my hair look like this.
That's so funny.
Why would she do that to my hair? Madison, can you set up the pool table?
Hey.
I will try. Oh shoot, I need to talk in a British accent.
Hi, it's me again. Follow the walls. I haven't played this in like years.
Oh, no.
Don't get away from me.
Here, so you take this.
Where's it go?
You, over here.
Over here?
Yeah.
I don't know which one you want to use or which one I should use. Where's
You do this.
No, that's what I was looking for. I remember
Okay,
that.
there you go. Make it all nice and blue.
I'm gonna miss it, I swear.
Oh, there you go.
Oh. Well, that's a scratch. She's already back. Hola.
Hola. Hi.
I just started it. I hadn't said
That's
anything
good.
yet.
Hello, everyone.
Carrie, she's back.
Welcome to our adventure.
We are out and about. We got a little bit ready. Joggers no more. Going to take some pictures, do a little BTS behind the scenes. BTS. And yeah, behind the scenes.
Love that.
Yeah. Usually what I do, I either have like set spots I like to take pictures at for Instagram and stuff, but since I am at her place, I don't really know the area.
My city now.
Yeah, we're gonna, I think, honestly, just driving around. If you see a spot, then just stop.
This is a nature video, and we're
in full nature attire.
as you can see.
Yep. I usually just take pictures on my iPhone.
It's not that deep.
You don't have to have a special camera. Like, honestly, because I like candid pictures.
Me too.
And so when you take them on your iPhone,
Let me repeat that for you.
it goes faster and you can take like a lot of pictures at once and get like really cute candid pictures. My arm's getting tired. I don't know if this is gonna stay through, but let's see if I can figure something out. Amazing. Cool. I have no idea if this is gonna slide or not. My mother is texting me. This is still filming. This is such a good angle. Wow.
I'm so outgoing, you guys.
But look how cute she looks. She got a new hat. Her hair is like straight. I will get back to you in 2 seconds when we get there. Okay, bye. We're at On the Border because I saw when we were on our way to somewhere else. It had these cute little like windows and doors and stuff. I thought we could just go on the way to this other place that we're going to that is her spot. She's gonna show me. It's like, be spontaneous, because honestly, it works.
The adrenaline and euphoria, baby.
Just took some pictures out on the border. We left because there's this guy that kept coming back to his car and it was like a little sketch, a little weird. So if you have an iPhone, like, these are just the pictures she took of me. All I do is go and favorite the ones that I like and I delete all the others and then edit them from there because it makes it a lot easier.
Hello, officer.
There's a policeman. Carrie, are you ready?
I'm ready.
We're going to do wrong answers only.
Okay.
Have you heard? You know it. What country do we live in?
Europe.
What falls from the sky?
Hamburgers and hot dogs.
Amazing. Dream life. What do we swim in?
Celery juice.
Ew.
It's healthy.
What grows from the ground?
Plastic.
I just thought, no, I'm not. Well, how are babies made?
There's baskets that fall through the sky, and then your baby is in them, and then it comes to your door, and it's yours.
Amazing.
No take backs.
We're here.
We're at my favorite place in the entire world,
Hey.
Chile. That's why I put my hat on.
She got her little gloves. Wait for that. Oh, that's so not cute. My face is just like barely.
It's okay. We can take more on the Thinking Rock.
The Thinking Rock.
Yeah, it's a Thinking Rock. I'll show it to you. It's a place where I go think. Let's go. It says no swimming or diving.
Don't plan on doing that today. It's so pretty. So naturey. No swimming. It's a little muddy. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It's Chile. Oh my gosh. It was like sunny a little bit and like warmer today. And then of course when we like came to take pictures and like be outside, it's all cold now.
So people used to come here, jump off these cliffs,
Oh.
including me. Yes, I'm guilty of that.
Oh my gosh.
There's a little, like stairway down there that you use to come back up here.
What? That is cool. I'm coming. I'm following the leader.
Yeah, one adventure. Okay.
Woo. Chili, chili. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah. We used to.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna show you the last and final spot where my Thinking Rock is at.
Sounds good. She took like a few pictures of me. And that's it because it's freaking freezing. Oh, I see. At least I brought my jacket in the car, so I can put it on when we get in there. It's like we're going on a little hike. There's a cliff like right there. There's a cliff You have to be careful. Oh, I need to go faster. Can't wait for coming. Okay. It's all slippery. Wait, where'd you go? Oh my god! I was like, wait, I can't find her. She's right there. Is this your thinking?
This is my thinking rock.
The famous thinking rock.
This is my thinking rock, and it has a tree right here, and I like it because it like blocks the wind and everything.
That's so cute.
There's nails right here. I wonder who put them in there.
Huh? I don't know.
But I like it. Are you still cold?
A little bit.
I'm freezing.
It's a little chilly.
All right.
This is this little. Ugh.
Down.
Uh-huh. Okay.
During the summertime, there's spiders on these branches.
Oh no, heck no. I had a dream about, I actually had a dream about being in a forest and being attacked by spiders. I'm not even joking you.
So we're up here now. So come over this. And watch out for snakes because they live under these rocks.
Oh, fun. I mean, I'll try not to. Oh, I'm coming. Oh.
And here we are. I wonder where my car went.
It's nowhere to be found.
Now we have to walk.
Amazing.
Yay.
Yay, we did it. Pretty.
Very nature, very beautiful. See, you got the experience, voila.
Voila. We just like, what if we just like fell down?
I always thought about that, but that'd be very unfortunate.
Oh look, I found your car. There it is.
Yay.
My hands are like red and pink because it's so cold. Wait, hold on, I gotta show you. Look at this. This is what I was talking about. Like, what the heck? I don't even know. What?
The things that people will utter.
It's so weird. Wow, thank you for taking me
that was
to
a really fun adventure, Madison.
to your special spot.
I had a very fun time at the spot. I had so much fun.
If it wasn't so dang cold, it wouldn't matter.
Here's the only good thing about being out here when it's cold. Guess.
Your warm car?
No, there's no bugs.
Oh.
No bugs.
Yes, that's very true. And
Yippee.
you're not in focus. Please focus. That's attractive. Wow. Okay, so we are at Freddy's. Hello.
Hey.
I'm ready to go get some food, some burgers, some fries, because we're real hungry. That is all for this vlog.
Everyone comment below where they want to be at, like when they're done with college. Like where do you want to move when you're done with college?
Okay.
Or like when you grow up. Yes, mommy? Yeah, just comment below.
And like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Okay. Anyway, bye. Peace out.